Okay, I've got this Yale. It's a 5 or 6 pin. I'm not sure. I haven't tried picking it yet, so I haven't stuck a pick in. From PickME 1977. Lock is very smooth. It is locked up. Here's the bitty. I don't know if this is the original key that come with the lock, but that's a pretty cool key. I don't know if it's an old key or not, but I've only seen these really on padlocks and not a Mortise Cylinder lock that I personally have seen. I'm sure there's some out there maybe, but I've never seen them. Alright, I'm going to stick this in here. Try to keep out of that little valley and to try to protect the keyway as much as I can. Because I think to get to the pins, I'm going to have to really go sideways with it. There. Let's see. Alright, little turn on 5. Or 6. Not sure yet. There's... Okay. It's a Bill's 5 pin, so that's 5 and 3. I believe that was a 3. Or it feels like a 5 pin. Got a little turn on 4. A little more on 4. Got a little faucet going here. A little more turn up of 2, I believe. Keep having to fight that little can get underneath the pin. There we go. There we go. That's a tough little pick, just getting to the pins. And it is open. Spin it around. Zoom out. There we go. I have got to clean my table up. I have got locks, picks, and everything else everywhere. Alright. So if it locks back up, not a big deal. But I personally like them when they're picked open and the key's not in the way. But it's not a big deal. Alright. Let's see just what kind of goodies. Alright, so it is a 6-pin. Thought I felt 5 pins. Oh. Pin 1 fell out there. Alright, so it's 6 pins, but only 5 are populated. Alright, okay. There's a groove here and here. That's interesting. Okay. Well, all the key pins work, or all 5 of them. Alright, pin 1, serrated. Pin 2 looks standard. Pin 3, serrated. Pin 4, serrated. And pin 5's got a serration on it. Come on, focus. So, looks like 1, 2, 3 are threaded. Let's see what we got. Serrated. I gotta get the spring out of the way. Oop. Serrated. Looks like a key pin turned into the driver, which is not a problem. Serrated spool. Serrated. And standard. And all the springs are there. I don't think anything's been done to the Bible. Okay. Here is the Yale 5-pin. Oh. I can keep from knocking it all over the place. The Yale 5-pin from PickME 1977 is a fun little lock. Alright everyone, as always, be good, be safe, be legal. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe. Also go over to PickME 1977, check his channel out, subscribe. And as always, have a good one. PickME, thanks for the lock, man. Have a good one, guys. Thanks.